Welcome to Hallman Roofing, your trusted source for top-notch roofing services in Shallotte, North Carolina. At Hallman Roofing, we take pride in enhancing the beauty and durability of your home with our expert roofing solutions. Is your roof showing signs of wear and tear? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our highly skilled and experienced roofing team is dedicated to providing you with the best quality service. From roof repairs to complete replacements, we offer many roofing solutions to meet your needs. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We're not just building roofs, we're building relationships. Hallman Roofing is your local, reliable, and professional choice for all your roofing needs. Transform your home with the best roofing services in Shallotte, North Carolina. We are committed to delivering excellence, one roof at a time. Join the Hallman Roofing family today and experience the difference. Hallman Roofing is here elevating roofs and exceeding expectations. Ready to get started? Call us today at 910-228-7641 or visit us at hallmanroofing.com/location/Shallotte-NC-roof-replacement-and-repair. Thank you for choosing Hallman Roofing, your premier choice for roofing services in Shallotte, North Carolina. Hallman Roofing, where quality meets the roof over your head. Building stronger homes, one roof at a time.